Hello everyone, in this video I will show you up how to fix Instagram video bad quality after posting. So let's just refresh it up. Right, so first of all go and click on your bottom right side corner on the top right. Then here you have to go to the search bar and look for data, right? I will just write here data usage and media quality. Now make sure you just turn this on, upload at highest quality, and it should be turned off. In this way, if I just go to my reels section here, and now I can view my videos in really good quality, right? This is how I can do this, and make sure that you are turn on your Wi-Fi section, then only you will able to fix this video quality, right? And this is it guys, and make sure to like this video and also don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.